The relationships that we have with our commercial customers are really important. We pride ourselves on being that contractor that can design, install, maintain as a whole sort of turnkey package.
Air conditioning is one of the cheapest forms of heating and cooling as a product, especially for the commercial market. It's a very efficient way of heating or cooling your premises.
We like to think of ourselves as an elite contractor. There is one-man band sort of installers that may be able to do things cheaper than we can, but we like to pride ourselves on our quality of work, quality of installation and quality of services as well.
We work in all sectors, including offices, education, medical, retail, modular, leisure, manufacturing, technology and motorsport. I don't think we've ever been in a position where we've not been able to provide a solution, and we use our guys' expertise to be able to pick the right solution for the right project.
The way that we look at our projects and design them is based on the customer's needs. So dependent on their budget and what their requirements are, we will specify and select the equipment and the type of product for the customer's needs. What we'll look at is the longevity of it, and also things such as running costs and application. Sometimes the cheaper products may not necessarily be the best for the customer.
We keep up to date with the latest technology that we can use. Our engineers are the best qualified that they can be and have the best experience and technical knowledge of the systems that we're installing as well.
The guys that you're dealing with when you're talking to Spheretech are highly skilled engineers. They're there with the experience and with the training with them from the manufacturers, and with the right certifications and the right accreditations to be able to do the job properly. We're NIC approved electrical contractors, we're REFCOM elite contractors. We do everything by the book, we record everything, we keep everything detailed on our CRM within the office. So if a customer has any issues, we have the records of everything going back years.
It's always important for us to be available for the customers. What we try and do is tailor our installations and our maintenance to the customer's requirements. So that may be working over weekends on what we call sociable hours, but we will always try and be available and work to the customer's requirements.
I'd highly recommend Spheretech to other companies. They're great service, great communication, workmanship from the lads is very good, and their accessibility when they want to come into the office is very flexible. So definitely recommend them.
We take pride in our works and our installations and our projects, and with our projects we provide up to 10 years warranty on installations. If I was to sum up Spheretech's service, it would be reliability, customer support, customer service, trustworthy, and that's why we know that we can guarantee to do a really outstanding job.